Okay, here's a new experience. Balloon animals on a chairlift. I've experienced a lot of new things this trip, and this is this is definitely something different.
You recording?
Yes, if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind. Where are you going to be posting it?
What's that?
Where are you going to be posting it?
Oh, it'll be on YouTube eventually. Just look up JimJam, J-I-M-J-A-M. JimJam.
Oh,
My first name is Jim, my last name's Jameson, so JimJam.
okay.
So JimJam Vail, you should be able to find it there in a couple days.
So you're a YouTuber.
A little bit, yeah. Not a big one, but I post some videos up there now and then. I'll probably caption it like balloon, veiled balloon animals on lift or something like that. Make it easier to find.
I've been filmed many, many times.
My God, what in the world are you making there? I can't make it out.
Flower.
Oh, like a flower, wow.
Yeah,
You've been doing this a lot of years, I take it, huh?
almost running out of time.
Uh-oh. Yep.